Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make AI book covers. First, let's understand the power of artificial intelligence in design. AI tools offer a revolutionary way to create stunning book covers, transforming your ideas into visual reality in mere minutes. They can produce a wide array of styles, from minimalist to highly detailed, catering to any genre. This technology significantly reduces design time and costs, making professional-looking covers accessible to everyone. Selecting the right AI tool is crucial for your book cover project. Popular options include Midjourney, known for its artistic quality, and DALL-E 3, which excels in understanding complex prompts. Adobe Firefly integrates well with existing design workflows. Each platform has unique strengths, offering different artistic styles and levels of control. Explore their features and pricing, as some may cost around $10 to $30 per month for full access. Crafting effective prompts is the heart of AI book cover design. Begin by clearly stating your book's genre, like epic fantasy or sci-fi thriller. Then add specific visual details: a lone night on a mountain, neon city at night. Include artistic styles such as oil painting, photorealistic, or vector art. Experiment with different combinations. Even small changes in wording can yield dramatically different results, guiding the AI to your perfect vision. After generating your initial designs, it's time to refine and finalize your cover. Generate several variations from your best prompts, then choose the strongest candidates. Use image editing software like Photoshop or GIMP to add your title, author name, and any taglines. Adjust colors, contrast, and sharpness to perfection. Ensure the final image has a resolution of at least 300 dpi and an appropriate aspect ratio, typically 6 by 9 inches, for professional printing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.